there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles and today's video is an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the Motorola G Play phone. I got this phone for my son. If you are not new to this channel, then you know that I typically do unboxing videos when I get new phones or when I get my son's new phones. And my oldest son, he lost the phone that I just got him around Christmas time. So I got him another phone. I'm not really too tech savvy when it comes to this phone. I haven't read too many reviews, but they did have a really good deal with my phone carrier. And I read, I think something, I don't know if it was on YouTube, to be honest, so please don't quote me. And I don't know if it was, I'm thinking that it may have been on a blog or it was something. I quickly Googled the phone just to see what's going to pop up. And I don't remember if it was like a YouTube video that said okay phone or good phone. And I don't remember if it was a blog, but pretty much the review said that it was a fair phone. So I'm not sure. I will do an update video if you all want to know my son's opinion and also my opinion after he actually opens it and plays with it. But this is going to be the initial unboxing video. So if you are interested, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure, please be sure, excuse me, to subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get right into the video. So this is the box that the phone came in. I did open the box, but I haven't opened the phone yet. Here's my paperwork. And here is the box for the phone. Now, I also got a SIM card inside of the box, if I can get it out. Okay, so here's the SIM card. And it says Moto G Play on the outside. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I did want to get the new Note for myself, but they were sold out with my carrier. I have my son's on Sprint, which is now T-Mobile, and then I have my phone on AT&T. So I'm going to possibly, when the phone becomes in stock, the new Note becomes in stock with AT&T, I'll possibly upgrade, and then I'll do another unboxing video. Okay, so I have the box opened, and here's what it looks like inside the box. Here's the phone. Inside the box, it comes with instructions. It comes with a SIM key so that I can put the SIM card in. Like a manual, the USB cable, and the charging brick or block. So that's what you get. Here's what the phone looks like. Oh, it's upside down and backwards. So here's the back of the phone. Here's the front. This phone looks really good. I don't believe that we've had a Motorola phone. I believe all of our phones that we've had thus far have been either Apple or Galaxy. But I do like how it feels. It doesn't feel too light. It doesn't feel too heavy, but it feels like it has, you know, some heaviness, some weight to it. I don't like phones that don't feel like you're holding anything. I don't like really, really light phones. So I do, you know, like to feel some kind of weight with my phone. So this feels pretty good. As far as the size, it's not too small. It's about an average size. It kind of reminds me of like the Galaxy. What am I trying to, what name am I trying to come up with? Galaxy. I can look it up, but I don't really feel like it. But it reminds me of, the shape reminds me of a Galaxy phone. Here's what the camera looks like close up. I don't believe this is a button, but let me see if it is. I don't think that's a button. I was curious as to if that was a button or not. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the phone. So it's still an Android. My son wanted an Android instead of an iPhone because of some games he's playing. I believe that you can get off, I know that there's different games that you can get only through Galaxy or only through Android, and certain games that you can get only through the Apple store, but that was pretty cool. But he specifically said he wanted an Android for his gaming. So that's what I got. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna set the phone up on camera. I typically don't. So I'm not gonna start now. I am gonna go ahead and put in the SIM card though. So let me go ahead and take out the SIM key. My son's super excited to play with it. And I'm like, let me go ahead and record the unboxing video and then I'll give it right back to you. And then if you do want an updates video on how he's enjoying it, anything that I've noticed about the phone, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to create that video. I didn't do I didn't do any extensive research like I mentioned before. So I really don't know, to be honest, how the phone is going to be or what the reviews were on the phone. But like I said, there was a really good deal on the website, being that my son has lost multiple phones within the last 12 to, I don't know, 18 months. I wasn't really that apt to get him a phone that was more expensive than this. I believe this phone retails for like $150 or $200 at the most, if that. But that was, you know, the most that I was willing to pay based on how often he loses his phones. So I still wanted him to have a good phone, but I didn't want to pay too much for it because, like I said, I've gotten different phones and they're gone, they're lost. But the research that I did do when I typed it into Google really quick, I don't remember if it was a YouTube video that came up, because sometimes on the video it'll have information in the title. I don't know if it was that review that said phone okay, or I don't know if it was like a blog that I saw, but I remember something on Google saying that it was okay or fair or something along those lines. So, you know, that works for me as long as he can get his games and he can answer and accept calls and make calls and text. That's really all that I need. So it already has a SIM card in here. So, all right, I'm gonna put this in here. So the T-Mobile SIM card, I think that's for better signal, I believe. Or should I have just kept probably should have just kept the Sprint in. I'll save the T-Mobile card and call customer care if I need to and see what they want me to do with that. I believe that's what it is, 32 gigs, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm just seeing if it shows me anything on here. Yeah, it does. So it's 32 gigs and it's in the color blue. So just by me looking at the phone and unboxing it, holding it, I know I really can't give you a full review on it because I haven't used it and my son hasn't used it yet either. But I would say that I think it's like 130, 150, maybe 200 at the highest, but I think it's around the 130, 150 mark. I say it's a pretty good phone. It doesn't feel lightweight. It looks decent. It feels really good in my hand. It doesn't feel too big, too small. It's an Android, so I know that my son's going to be able to download the game that he was looking to download, and everything, you know, looks pretty good. I also love how the cameras look. So I think that this is a good buy, but again, I will keep you all updated if that's something that you all want to follow. So leave me a comment and let me know. But that's what we're looking like so far. Just making sure I didn't leave anything out, and I don't think that I did. So that is it. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.